Welcome back. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 6,847.06. And then approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was on the level of 6,870.99. And then the index was showing weakening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 6,814.53. And in short, JCI went down 0.96%. Next, we are going to see the sectoral movement. Leading the dynamics of today's trading, we got industry went up 0.89%, property went up 0.05%, meanwhile technology sector went down 2.06%, and infrastructure went down 1.21%. Moving on to the top gainers and top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. BRMS went up 5.44% to the level of 155 rupiah per share. SECO went up 15.32% to the level of 256 rupiah per share. BNLF went up 2.42% to the level of 635 rupiah per share. PBRX went up 2.74% to the level of 75 rupiah per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got BBRI went down 1.84% to the level of 4,270 rupiah per share. BBCA went down 0.3% to the level of 8,250 rupiah per share. BMRI went down 0.79% to the level of 9,400 rupiah per share, and Bumi went down 4.14% to the level of 162 rupiah per share. Next, we are going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards the US dollar. Open at the level of 15,387. Rupiah was also showing strengthening trend towards the US dollar and was closed at the level of 15,317. And in summary, rupiah went up 0.47%. United Tractors extended the share buyback period until January 11, 2023, with the prepared funds reaching 5 trillion rupiah. The company reaffirms that the implementation of the share buyback will not have a negative impact on performance and the revenue.
United Tractors extended the share buyback period until January 11, 2023, with the prepared funds reaching 5 trillion rupiah. United Tractors Corporate Secretary Sarah Lubis explained that the company extended the share buyback period for 3 months from October 11, 2022. This is because the share buyback period will end on October 12, 2022, and there are still a number of shares that can be bought back from the provisions of the maximum number of buyback. As previously disclosed, United Tractors has prepared a maximum fund of 5 trillion rupiah, which will not exceed 20% of the paid-up capital and at least 7.5% of outstanding shares. The buyback will be carried out in line with the price deemed good and reasonable with the company in accordance with the provisions. The company believes that implementations of the buyback will not have a negative impact on performance and revenue because the company's currently available retained earnings and cash flow are sufficient for the funds needed for the implementations of the share buyback. IDX Channel report.